How to use a mini car refrigerator for Tesla Model Y. Press the button to turn on. The red light is on heating mode 50 to 122 Fahrenheit. Switching refrigeration mode, the blue light is on refrigeration 17.6 to 50 Fahrenheit scale.
Car fridge for Tesla. Change the heating mode. The red light is on again. You can easily distinguish between the two modes. You can open the car fridge. 48.2 Fahrenheit is the temperature in the refrigerator right now. The lid flexible. Capacity of 4 liter. It can hold 6 bottles of 330 ml water. Thanks for watching about the Cigreen car refrigerator for Tesla.